Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be talking about a huge opportunity we basically got in the market right now, because I will be talking about the copy trade future here on BitGet, what is basically allowing me right now to make more than 100 to 200 US dollars every single day here, and I want to share this opportunity with you guys out there. So if this sounds interesting, make sure to watch this video till the end, subscribe to the channel if you do like the content, and let's dive right away in towards it. So first of all, let me give a little bit of a background check of BitGet. BitGet currently has got around 2 million active users, is doing more than 8 billion US dollars every single 24 hours in terms of volume, and it is topping around in the top 10, sometimes even top 3 in the top cryptocurrency derivative exchanges. So they are very well known in the space, have been around for quite a while here, and they have been the leader in copy trade features. So first of all, if you do want to be setting up an account, you can do it in the link in the description, and if you do use my link here in the description, you will be first of all get a deposit bonus up to 5,000 US dollars, but more importantly, for every for the first 50 US dollars that you deposit, you will get a free 50 US dollars back to your account. So that is absolutely insane. So make sure to check that out. It's going to be for a limited time only. And also guys, that 5,000 US dollars is for the grab. And you can also find a link here in the description to find all the requirements you need to claim up to that 5,000 US dollar deposit bonus, right? And also after signing up an account, you can see here on the top side, you have Reward Center. And if you go to the Reward Center, you can see exactly how you can claim your deposit bonuses outside of that 50 US dollars. So first of all, you can already claim 3 US dollars for free if you do the KYC. More importantly guys, you don't need KYC first of all for this exchange. You also don't need a VPN, so that is also a very big benefit from this exchange. But let me right now talk about the interesting talking point about how we can actually make good money in this market. It is copy trading. So like I told you, BitGet is basically the leader in copy trading, and if you press on it, you come to this interface if you did sign up your account here, and you can find all these cool guys, all these other cool traders that are making a bunch of money by trading the market. And we right now have the opportunity to follow their trades. So first of all, we don't need, of course, to search for a trading setup ourselves. No, they are going to do it for us. So that is going to be extremely valuable. And like you can see, you can right away, if you're in this interface, see what kind of returns they are making. Let's take, for instance, this guy over here. I press on it, and you can right away see all the stats. So once you come to this page, you first of all can see the P&L, and I will be selecting the last 1 month basically, and you can see how his P&L has been growing. And this way, it's going to be very important, because you want to be looking for traders that are actually making big profits, because you're not going to jump on board of a trader that is not doing well, right? So that's going to be very important. Only jump on traders that are actually making good profits. So make sure to do very good research about who you're actually joining right now. So in this case, this guy is of course looking pretty good. He's making very good profits over here. Like you can see, the P&L ratio is going very significantly towards the upside. You can also press here on orders to check out their previous orders, and you can see that he's trading with somewhere around 12 to 10x leverage. Also important to notice in this case, and he's mainly trading, if you go back to chart, the USD tether against Ethereum pair. Pretty interesting. Only in this case, if I go back towards my screen, you can see that this account is full and I can't join it. But if you do press on it and you go to his page, you can press on the top right of your screen, slot reminder. And if you press on slot reminder, you will be getting a reminder sent to you once a place comes free back at this trader over here. So that is pretty cool to check out here. But in this case, I'm going to go towards hide full, and I'm going to actually search for traders that are right now available who we can actually join. So right away, I see this guy, Self-Discipline. He is making currently an own P&L of 2,600 US dollars, and the copy traders are making a P&L above the 100k already. So let me press on this guy and let me do some research how he has been performing. First of all, you can see that he executed over 850 trades. That is right away, of course, for me at least, spanning a lot of trust. The past month, his P&L has been not so okay actually, but it has been pretty stable overall. And his total income, and that is of course the most important part about it, has been increasing. So this is actually looking like a pretty good trader. So if you want to, in this case, follow this guy, you press on follow. You can see there's still one spot available. If you press on the screen here, you can right away see This guy currently got an 8% revenue share. So every single time you make a profit, 8% of the revenue goes to this guy. Also, you can select which futures you actually want to be trading. And in this case, I will be deselecting them all because I only want to be trading Bitcoin. Since I right now deselected all these other cryptocurrencies, I will be not able to join his trades if he is, let's say, for instance, going to take a trade on Ventum or on Solana or on Luna. So that way I also minimize my risk because I only personally like to be trading on Bitcoin. So also what is going to be very important for the next step is go to transfer. And of course, I already deposited some funds in towards my account here. If you haven't already deposited some funds, it's very easy to send some USD Tether or another cryptocurrency to your spot wallet. If you deposit it in your spot wallet, you have to transfer it from your spot wallet to your USD Tether margin account. In this case, I already did that, but otherwise you just will be pressing here and you will select the amount that you will be transferring to your USD Tether margin account. As soon as you did that, basically what will be happening is that you can select the amount of margin you want to be investing in this guy. Let's say for this case, I will be only do 300 USD Tether. I press next. Here you see the confirmation and the information about this trade here. Once again, I'm going to press confirm and you will be getting placed towards this view. Right now what you can see also is that I already got 2 trades open because before I started recording this tutorial, I already opened a few trades to quickly show you guys how it is exactly working. And right now, actually, I didn't open the trades myself. I just placed a little bit of money in someone else's account. And like you can see, I'm currently already making more than $150 by just doing nothing. So in this case, actually, I will be closing them because you also have the opportunity to close them myself. So in this case, I will close both of these trades to take my profit. And if I go to history, you can see, I don't know, maybe the history is still loading up here. Yeah, you can see my trader. These are the trades that I'm joining here. And here you can see at history is that I made a very good profit. I already made approximately $140 by literally 10 minutes work. And actually, guys, these guys are professional traders, and I joined on board of these other guys that are also making very good profits for a longer sustainable period of time. What is basically making it for me a little bit more risk-free. Those guys are looking for the setup. I'm just deploying the money and they are doing the hard work. So of course I'm splitting an approximately 8% of the revenue to those guys, but nevertheless I am making a very good profit. And of course I'm still following these guys, so if they do execute a new trade, I will be once again join these trades here in the future. So I will be basically make money while sleeping. So that is of course definitely very exciting to check out. And once again, guys, if you do want to be trading here on BitGet, you can also normally trade. You can find the link in the description to that to their site, and you can also claim that deposit bonus. Also, do take a notice that of course this never comes without any risk here, so always be very careful with what copy traders you're actually going to follow up here, because not necessarily every single copy trader is going to be all right. So guys, let me know in the comment section below here what you think about this copy trading feature, and of course if you will be using it. And also I really think that this is just a very big addition to trading, because there are of course some very good professionals that right now will also make more revenue because you are using their copy trading, and they will be getting a split of your revenue. So this is of course definitely very exciting, a very good idea, a very a working and proving concept right now here. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.